Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can simply create an organization chart in Gusto. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Gusto, and when you're going to be here, you want to go on settings, customization, then coworker directory enabled, and you want to have it enabled. This is the first thing that you need to have. So then just click on people. And here, choose like a person. And then you're gonna see back in people, you're gonna see organization chart. And here you got it. If you're gonna choose and change a different hierarchy, are you going to see different, right? You can also view other employees. But yeah, this is how you do it. So this is how you create it, and you can simply export. Have a great day and goodbye.